All right, everyone, welcome back to Trade Wave Tuesday. Today, actually, on a Wednesday. I just missed yesterday's episode. Just some stuff came up, but we're back in on this one. You can notice we're here in the simulated portfolio. We got stopped out of a lot of stuff yesterday. So UNG, for example, we closed under the trade wave yesterday. What's CLF? We got closed. Oh, barely under. So I took it, and it looks like we're back up today. That's just going to be the nature of it. And this J LBPH, you can see we had it looked amazing for a second there, and then we closed under the trade wave. Yesterday, I say Monday, on that one. JD, we're still holding on strong. We kind of touched the lower end of trade wave today. Got right under that one, and now we're pushing higher here. Going into very quickly, going into the account, just so you can see, it's this one right here. So currently we're up 2.1% on trading this trade wave in about a month. Uh, very, very simple trading, not a lot going on. That's realized. That doesn't include this unrealized gain. So if you put in that realized gain, it's more like 7%. But again, I'm not really going to count that one. But we're going to continue to go what we're going. I'm going to up the size, I think, up to the original $20,000 limit as opposed to the $10,000 limit, just because I was almost worried about content that, there wouldn't be enough to do. But what I figured is I'll just come back and tell you what I would buy if I bought it, if we end up being full on positions. So I have picked for this week this WTW. And the reason for it is not only is it triggering a buy in the trade wave right here, if you look at the trade wave report, you can see 5.09% gain if you had been buying when these things have said buy. But it's also breaking out of this pretty clear pattern right here. So nice kind of pullback. And it's an insurance name. These insurance names have been incredibly strong for a very long period of time. So we're breaking out of this little flag pattern. We got to buy on the trade wave. I'm just going to go right now and just send that order out, but we're going to buy $20,000 worth of it instead of the $10,000 that we were doing. Again, just because if the trades, this is part of the testing, this is part of what we do. If the trades are going to be in and out this quickly, I want to make sure that I am okay with saying, okay, I'm going to, take that profit. I'm going to roll it into something else. If I'm going to be in and out quicker, then that's fine. I just don't see, I guess, long story short, I don't see a day where I'm in all five positions and there's nothing to sell. If it happens, then I'll just come on and I'll update you guys and say, hey, this one looks nice. Maybe check that one out. But for the portfolio that I have here, I'm just going to leave it at those five positions. So it's going to amplify wins, obviously going to amplify losses as well, splitting our portfolio um, into five and into 10. Uh, it's not going to make a huge difference in the long run, but it's just going to be more volatile. I'm going to make more when you're right. You're going to lose more when you're wrong. That increased volatility is going to happen there as well. So, WTW, that's what I'm adding to Trade Wave this week. You can just see I just bought some there as well. The beauty of using size or beauty using dollar amount instead of share size is that I don't have to think about how many shares to buy. So it ended up being 67. I didn't even notice this was a $300 stock, and I don't care because, right, a dollar, a percentage gain is a percentage gain. So we'll continue to watch JD. Right now, if it closes really below this price at all, that will be an exit. That'll probably be about a 5% gain, give or take, assuming, right, it's China, nothing crazy happens overnight, but we liquidated everything else and moved on from there. So, see you next week.